Good life music.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, Gota's Entertainment Channel, the best entertainment channel ever for Zimdancehall news. Patichange tichikupai zvirukuitika mumalives ema-artists edu ezimdancehall amaimbe mchiziva anyarara zuva ranhasi. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to make sure you won't lose out to any interesting news about Zimdancehall. So today we're gonna take a brief look of some of our artists that fell down vakafeila kubudirira mumacareers avo kubudikidza nhau dzakasiyana siyana dzakakonzeresa mukudonha kwavo. So before that, we're gonna take a brief look of some of the reasons that are making our artists fail to their careers. So here is a brief look of some of the reasons that are contributing to the failure or the fall down of some of your prominent Zimdancehall artists. So to take a brief look, we got poor management or lack of management, too much drug abuse, kunyange chihure chaicho chapedza some of our artists. So we're gonna take a list down of some of our artists and letting you know of their current status and the way they are living right now. So number 10, we got Platinum Prince. We all know him. He was a very potential, prominent local artist for Zimdancehall. We all anticipated to have a great future in the Zimdancehall, but kubudikidza nekuimba ma-day songs, this guy went on and dissing other artists like Winky D, zvinova zvakakonzeresa kuti aite fall down, and also too much intervention into the political arena also led to his decline. Izvo zvakakonzeresa kuti mukomana anonzi Platinum Prince munge musingachamuzive zuva ranhasi. Then on number 9, we got Silent Killer. Silent Killer was a very potential and powerful Zimdancehall artist. Ngero Ziondo, we all know him for his famous name. Mukomana uyu aive nepotential huru, but he lacked management and he was under the influence of too much drug abuse, which led to his fail down. He went on also to blame his sponsors like the Chill Sport Records for his downfall, yet he has nothing. Right now, Silent Killer has nothing and is silent up to now. Then on number 8, you got Crystal. Just like the name Crystal, we thought we could see some Crystal clear visions of the Zimdancehall arena through this guy, but unfortunately he failed to utilize the resources. He lacked management, and that is some of the reasons which led down to his failure. Agamoidama shows and they made a lot of money, but right now he is silent and no one knows about his whereabouts. Then on number 7, we got Magica from HAD. We thought this guy could use his magics, just like his name, to make sure there's some bloom in the Zimdancehall arena, but unfortunately that failed to happen. This guy had an international style like some of your prominent artists like Natty O, Takura, Pop 10, but he lacked artists and went on to sing these songs and involving in a lot of crashes with other artists that contributed much to his failure. Then on number 6, we got Dope Don. We all know Dope. So this guy was really talented, but due to the influence of drugs, this guy lost his career and is now singing senseless songs. Rumors not we don't know how true is that, but all we know is Dope Don is still silent in the music industry. Then on number 5, we got Mad Viper. We all know what a viper snake can do, guys. He does not mess around. This guy had too much potential. We all anticipated great from this guy, but unfortunately he disappointed the music industry. He fell in love with too much drugs, and rumors say he was chased away by his father, and now akugara parudzi kwaari kuita zvekufudza mombe. Then we got Boom Battle on the 4th place. This guy was well known for his song Musika, which took the hearts of many Zimbabweans, asking even a toddler anogona kungokuudza kuti munodonhedza musika mai. This guy anga asina kana talent zvaro, but iskiri kutsvaga bhegi rairo ngoto akajumpa in the music industry, and right now he's silent just like a dead snake. No one knows his whereabouts, but rumors say ukaenda kumabridge eku Unity K aumushayi ikoko Boom Battle. Then todzika pa number 3 we had a guy anonzi Skada T. We all know him, well talented, but he lacked management and some of the DJs anomunyima airplay, and that's most of the reasons why akuita kunge asipo. Right now ariko, but hana chainacho. He's still silent up to now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 days. Oh! Then on number 2 we got T Makwikwi, a well-known artist who had potential too, but fell down to meet his careers due to lack of some funds and due to proper management. Then on the last one we had Killer Thriller. Uyu ndo zvibaba zvekutambura chaizvo. In the streets they say they now know him for his type of clothing. Zvidi kudai vakomana. We have to support our local artists and make sure we keep them in trench to make sure they stay blooming and make our Zimdancehall arena blooming. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure you won't miss out for more information about what's happening in the Zimdancehall arena. And don't forget to like if you like the video and share as well the video. Thank you so much.